Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I will talk about the Machenike's first Intel Arc A730M gaming laptop. So friend, Machenike launches first Intel Arc A730M gaming laptop. So friend, this is a thin 16-inch laptop featuring 2.5K resolution at 165Hz and it is equipped with 14-core Intel Core i7-12700H processor and Arc A730M GPU. And friends, this laptop is first ACM-G10 based system that went on sale, which is why this is an important moment when Intel finally enters the premium gaming space, at least sort of. And friend, the Intel Arc A730M features 24 Xe cores and friend, it is equipped with 12GB GDDR6 memory across a 192-bit memory bus, and it is therefore a cut down version of the A770M, which has 1024 more cores, 256-bit wide bus and also faster memory. And friend, if I talk about the pricing, the laptop is listed at $1,274 So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.